Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Lunar Classic Update today. So there's one thing that I must address in here, and we have the daily falling wedge on the daily time frame, of course. Now, this falling wedge is, of course, a bullish pattern, but right now it's having a difficult time to break above and continue to go to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, I think Lunar Classic is on the overbought department at the moment, so you've really pumped up to the place where it's time to sell on the 4-hour time frame. Now the problem with this is that you're really being rejected at the moment. You're having one rejection here. It has been difficult. You've been rejected here, you've been rejected there as well a couple of times, and you can see that you try to break above and you still go rejected. So this can be a little bit of a concern right now that you're actually being rejected. One more thing is also on the Bitcoin side. Bitcoin is having a small bearish pattern on the 1-hour time frame. So if you look at this, you have an ascending broadening wedge, which actually shows that Bitcoin probably is going to drop down and come all the way to 62,397. So there's a little bit of a push going on the 1 hour. It's a little bit bad, and you can see the bearish divergence is also there. So yes, there could be chances that we see Lunar Classic one more time being rejected right over here. The next thing is, of course, I want you to focus on the bigger picture here. The bigger picture is this one. There's still a falling wedge, but this falling wedge, the problem is that it is 70% loaded right now. Okay, so what I mean by 70% loaded is that there's still a little bit of that gap that is left, and there's a little bit of that space for more twist to come, for more depression maybe to come, which I'm not really hoping it does, but I'm just giving you that if it does come, then it is something that is still expected, because if you get rejected here again, understand that's the resistance. Now, there could be chances. Now, let's say if you do get rejection now and you drop down here, that could actually take you all the way to 6512. Okay, so if you go down to 6512 and you stay down there, that can be possibly the final drop before we don't really break above in October and we push up to even 25,000, which can actually be 100 to 200% move in the next coming 3 months time. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Now, of course, the best scenario is we see a break above, retest, and we go all the way to the upside. I don't know, there's an SEC bad news that actually even came out that they actually kind of declined the meeting or something like that. You can actually read that news in detail and see what's going on with that one. So what is it going to be? Are we going to break above and move to the upside or not? That's the question. I actually had to close Lunar Classic in like 13% of loss at the moment, because I do have some guts feeling that this market is going to shake out people one more time, and the next could be the one final time that it does so, and then we move up from here for literally good. And as I'm looking in the past data, I'm actually putting the bets on October. I'm not expecting August or September. July is a little bit of a relief, I guess. August can be also another relief, but I think September could be a little bit bad. And then we move on to October, which is the start of probably the biggest bull run. Keep in mind, the Ethereum ETF has also been approved. So the future is very, very good, bright ahead of us. But right now, for some time, could actually be boring. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.